Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. Question 12. There are two drama groups in a school. In one group there are 36 boys and 48 girls. In the other group, 3/7 of the students are boys and the rest of the students are girls. Answers. The ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls is the same for both groups. Is incorrect. You must show how you get your answer. So, to show that there's four parts are girls and 3 parts are boys in terms of ratios for the second group. And for the first group, it's 36 to 48, and that simplifies down to 3 to 4. So both of the ratios are the same. So yeah, so and it's correct. Like and subscribe for more GCSE